you so much for joining us here at the DDN booth. My name is Jennifer, and I'm going to give you that quick DDN overview. So I'm going to say we are the leading storage company for data-intensive customers. You see, we've got 20 years of experience, and this is delivering storage solutions for our customers out there that are facing the most complex challenges. And that could be analyzing autonomous vehicle feedback, or it might also be doing something like predicting the ever-changing weather patterns out there. Of course, we've also got customers that are driving that I/O that's needed to be able to deliver the next medical breakthroughs. You're going to see that DDN works hand in hand with our customers out there to be able to provide solutions that are tailored to their exact needs. So, when it comes to performance, that's going to mean a little bit more than just delivering the fastest storage platforms that are available. You see that performance is that ability to tailor a solution to the exact needs of a customer's application or their workflow. It's a company out there that's uniquely positioned to be able to provide storage platforms that are going to offer multiple terabytes per second or millions of IOPS. And we don't just stop at simply delivering those storage performance numbers. No, we don't. No, we want to make sure that that storage performance is going to actually be able to feed the application and be able to impact that customer's ability to be able to improve their time to insight and also be able to monetize that data for them. See, performance, it's at the core of everything we do. You're going to find it in our engineering, to our sales, from our support, and also services. You see, our entire company, we're aligned to be able to give us that performance out there that's going to make an impact. So DDN, we address problems at scale. So a lot of storage companies out there, they can give you those solutions, but the thing is they're only going to grow to a certain level. DDN, we're unique in that we're built to address petascale problems. So you see, we're independently able to grow performance or capacity. You're going to find that DDN has a solution, and this is regardless of the amount of data that needs to be stored or what needs to be processed. So you can trust DDN to be able to give you the ability to really grow those systems as your data requirements also mature. So you'll see that DDN, we are dedicated to making your storage workflows meet your needs. See, all-flash deployment, well, we've got archival storage challenges. We're going to have you covered on things like complex storage migration. All of this we've got for you. You see, DDN, we've got the solutions to be able to meet the needs of a wide variety of scale challenges. I'll tell you, one of the biggest challenges that we're seeing right now with the modern storage market is going to be the multidisciplinary storage cloud. All right, now DDN, we've got the flexibility to be able to build these solutions that are going to suit the wide variety of I/O challenges that are definitely being faced by our customers today, and that's especially when it comes to those storage meats that have these variable demands. So, I talked a little bit about what it is that we do, but I want to tell you how it is that we do it. You're going to see the key to DDNs and also to our customer success out there is that we have the delivery of data at scale services. So you're going to see that this is all being done when we combine a variety of storage hardware technologies. So this is going to include things like powerful compute. We've got high performance fabrics, and we also have the densest of enclosures in the industry. So all of these storage platforms, they're combined with the knowledge and also the experience and expertise to be able to ensure that the storage meets the customer's needs. So this is going to be regardless of whether our customer is doing supercomputing checkpointing or if it's going to be something like machine learning implementations, which is going to bring new demands, right? And that's especially when it comes to reading performance requirements. You're going to see it's a lot different than what we're going to have from that traditional HPC workload. And all of these require the knowledge to be able to deliver methods for I/O optimization. So customers, they can trust that DDN is going to have the products and also the people to be able to meet their needs. Now DDN, our portfolio of products is a powerful combination. You're going to find from our software-defined flash-native acceleration that we have in Infinite Memory Engine, all the way to our long-term storage in the seamless, scalable object storage WAS. So DDN, we have the products to be able to apply to a wide variety of requirements. Now, as I discussed just a little bit ago, you're going to see that delivering storage at scale, it's going to require just a little bit more than just products. It's also the people that stand behind these products that really solve the complex problems. So with over 200 engineer professionals, we're all ready to apply to these problems out here for you. You're going to find that DDN is ready to address any challenge, no matter where your data is being stored anywhere on the planet. So we're available for you 24/7, 365 days a year. And you're going to see that our personnel, they are dedicated to planning, delivering, and also supporting your storage solutions. So the challenge that's faced by organizations today that are extracting value from their data at scale is that it's becoming increasingly challenging, right? You see the applications themselves, they're becoming more and more complex. Just think about some of the things out there. We've got new analytics, we're talking about deep learning, and also the more complex physics modeling. And then what about the data volumes? That seems to be increasing also really rapid. So that's going to be because we've got better and more sensitive sensors and devices out there. And that's going to be things like your microscopes, cameras, self-driving cars, gene sequencers, and that list is going to go on. The thing is you look at some of the competition, they have flash arrays, but they're not being able to keep up with these problems. They're not able to do it at scale. And that's either because the economics break down due to the extreme costs, or it's also that performance is just simply limited. DDN, on the other hand, we're dedicated to be able to enable those discoveries for you. And we're doing all this at a lower total cost of ownership. And we're also going to do this much more efficiently. All right. So I want to thank you so much for your time and attention, folks here. I'm glad that you stopped by the DDN booth.